There's a house in the woods that my old old man built the best that he could. Out of trees, all fat land. Foundation's got a few cracks. Tin roof just trying to survive. Yeah, it ain't much to look at, but if you look inside, there's a buck on the wall that my granddaddy killed back in '79 up on that power line hill. And it won't be the same, yeah, it's a damn shame he ain't around this fall. Well, since he can't no more, you can bet your ass I'll put another buck on the wall.